Do you one day dream of escaping the rat race and living a life of financial freedom? Traveling the world, spending time with loved ones, following your passions? Well, in this video, I will be going over the rules not to follow if you want to one day become financially free. But before we dive into the topic, hello and welcome back to our channel, The Wealth Shack. And if you're new here, please like and subscribe. And if already subscribed, thank you for your continued support. On this channel, we are helping hardworking people like you to get more out of your hard-earned money by showing you how to use your money in the most effective way. With that being said, let's dive into the video. Here are some rules that you would follow if you want to stay broke. 1. Starting tomorrow. Starting tomorrow keeps you broke because it means you are delaying taking action and making important changes that could improve your financial situation. Procrastination is one of the main reasons why people struggle with money. If you keep telling yourself that you'll start saving money, investing, or looking for ways to earn more money tomorrow, you're not actually taking any steps to improve your financial situation today. Every day that you delay taking action is another day that you're missing out on potential opportunities to improve your finances. Additionally, starting tomorrow can create a pattern of procrastination that can be hard to break. Once you start putting off important financial decisions, it can become easier and easier to continue doing so. Instead of waiting until tomorrow, take action today to improve your financial situation. Procrastination kills more dreams than failure. 2. Staying in your comfort zone. How can we expect to evolve in our lives and careers if we only stick to the same habits and routine? Staying in your comfort zone is not good because it limits your personal and professional growth. When you stay within your comfort zone, you're essentially avoiding challenges and opportunities for growth. You're not pushing yourself to try new things, take risks, or learn new skills, which can ultimately lead to a lack of progress and development. Comfort zones can feel safe and secure, but they can also be stagnant and unfulfilling. When you don't challenge yourself, you may miss out on opportunities for growth. In order to achieve success and reach your full potential, it's important to step outside of your comfort zone and take risks. This can help you build confidence, develop new skills, and broaden your experiences. Even if you fail, you'll learn from your mistakes and become better equipped to handle future challenges. Start that new business, or start going to the gym, or apply for that job where you may not have all the sufficient experience. Stepping outside of your comfort zone can be scary, but it's an important step towards growth and success. Push yourself to try new things, take risks, and embrace opportunities for growth, and you'll find yourself achieving more than you ever thought possible. 3. Taking advice from broke friends and family. Taking advice from broke friends and family may not be the best course of action, as they may not have the knowledge or experience to offer sound financial advice. It's important to seek advice from those who have achieved financial success or individuals who you aspire to be like. Broke friends and family members may have good intentions, but their advice may be based on their own limited experiences or misconceptions about money. They may not have the skills or knowledge to offer effective advice on topics such as investing, budgeting, or building wealth. Instead, seek advice from financial experts, mentors, or successful individuals in your field. These individuals can offer valuable insights and advice based on their own experiences and expertise. You can also invest in your own financial education through books, courses, or seminars to develop your own financial literacy and knowledge. 4. Increasing expenses with an increase in income. If you want to stay broke, increase your spending habits every time you get a raise. For the majority, when they see an increase in income, they automatically see this as a signal to upgrade their lifestyle. This could be anything from a larger house to a nicer car, a new 80-inch television, or even a luxury watch. It's the pressure to buy new things constantly and spend money rather than put it toward investments and growth. This is sometimes known as the keeping up with the Joneses attitude, which keep individuals in the rat race. Not that I'm saying you shouldn't reward yourself occasionally or splurge on a few luxury items from time to time, but you have to have balance. You should only be buying luxuries if you are debt-free and have at least 3 months' worth of expenses saved, as it is easy to fall in the trap of debt. This never-ending debt cycle keeps families imprisoned financially if they don't learn how to manage their money. Someone earning $50,000 but saves half of their income is more likely to be better off in the long run than someone who makes $150,000 but spends all their money and is in debt. 5. Relying on a single source of income. If the last few years taught us anything, it is that relying on one source of income is extremely risky. The pandemic caused millions of jobs to be lost, and that left a lot of individuals in financial ruin. By having one source of income, you are one incident away from not having any incoming cash flow. Most individuals tend to have one source of income being their job. By doing this, you are essentially putting your whole financial responsibility in the hands of your employer. This is too risky. It is imperative that to break free from the rat race, you need to diversify your income stream. Maybe pick up a second job, or invest in income-producing assets such as stocks and real estate, or even start an online business. Giving too much power to your employer is a slippery slope. 6. Not accumulating assets. Not accumulating assets can stop you from becoming wealthy because assets are a key component in building and maintaining wealth. Hard work can only take you so far. If hard work determined how wealthy we are, nurses, doctors, and builders will be the richest people in the world. But this is not the case. Trading your time for money can only take you so far because there are limitations to how much time you can realistically work. This approach to earning money is commonly referred to as active income, where you are directly exchanging your time and effort for a paycheck. This means that there is a cap on how much you can earn per day, week, or year, no matter how skilled or talented you are in your profession. The wealthy know this, and this is why they accumulate assets. When you own assets such as rental properties or stocks, they can generate passive income that can help you build wealth over time. This income can be reinvested, leading to compound growth, which can accelerate your wealth building potential. In addition to generating income, assets can appreciate in value over time. For example, real estate often appreciates in value over time, allowing you to build equity and wealth. Similarly, stocks and other investments can increase in value, providing a source of long-term wealth. Not accumulating assets can also limit your potential for financial growth and independence. If you own assets, you may have to rely solely on your income from your job, which can limit your earning potential. Owning assets can provide additional sources of income and help you diversify your income streams, reducing your dependence on any one source of income. To conclude, it is important to note that many people are happy living the rat race lifestyle, and there is nothing wrong with that, but to truly take control and break free, you must take on board the lessons learned from this video and see what adjustments you need to make to escape the rat race. That is it for today. Thank you all for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content, and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on more videos like this.